Last example with adding and subtracting rational expressions. We have 3 over x plus 1 squared x plus 2 plus x over x plus 1 x plus 2 squared. They do not have the same denominator, so we need to find a common denominator. We're going to find the least common multiple of those two denominators. You can see that they both have the same factors on the bottom, but to different degrees. So they both have x plus 1, but in the first fraction is to the second power, and the second fraction is to the first power. And the opposite here. They both have x plus 2. The first fraction is to the first power. The second fraction is to the second power. So whenever a factor shows up in both denominators with different powers, you always take the higher power. So we're going to do x plus 1. And the highest power that shows up is 2 here. So x plus 1 squared. And then we're going to do x plus 2. And the highest power that shows up is 2 there. So this is our common denominator that we're going to use. Now we need to look at this fraction and decide what we need to multiply the bottom by to get the denominator to match this. So we have x plus 1 squared, x plus 2. We need to multiply the top and bottom of this fraction by x plus 2. So here we have times x plus 2 and times x plus 2. For this one, we need to multiply them both by x plus 1, because we only have one power of x plus 1 here. We need x plus 1 squared. So we're going to multiply the top and bottom here by x plus 1. From step 2 to 3, what I did is just consolidate this. So instead of writing x plus 2 times x plus 2, I wrote x plus 2 squared, which is the same thing. And then instead of 3 times x plus 2, I just distributed the 3. So it's 3x plus 6 right there. Over here, same thing. I consolidated these x plus 1s and wrote this x plus 1 squared, which is the same thing, and distributed this x. So x squared plus x. From steps 3 to 4, now we're just adding. We have a common denominator, so we just add the tops of the fractions. So it's x squared plus 3x plus x is 4x plus 6. And I have plus 7, which I can't explain, but I can erase. So x squared plus 4x plus 6. Now we're done as long as this can't be factored. Are there any factors of 6 that add up to 4? Well, we're not going to look at negatives because it has to add up to positive 4, and we know they have the same sign. So 1 times 6 would give us 7, 2 times 3 would give us 5, and that's all the factors. So this is a prime polynomial, and we're done.